Welcome back, everybody. If you found this page and you're watching this video, you are off to a great start for Wellness One. Just a few reminders here, and then I'll get into the expectations for the day. I'm going to post a video like this at the beginning of every class so you guys know what to expect, and hopefully I can answer some questions that you may have moving forward. So a big reminder, there's only 2 weeks left in the course, okay? And so there's still a lot of those missing assignments out there. So this is your time to start getting them done. If you do not know what an assignment is, email me. Okay, send me a message, do whatever you need to do to try to figure that out. The more specific you can be in that email, the better, so that I can get you all that information right away and we can get that handled. Okay, my office hours you can find in the top corner of the Schoology page are going to be from 10 to 1. So that means I'll be by my computer and I'll be able to help you out during those hours. So if you have any questions with that, please let me know. So for class today, it is going to be Life Skills Quiz number 2. But as you know, this is an open note quiz. All right, so listed here, these bullet points, this is what we are going to be quizzing you over. All right, so you've been taking good notes. This should be a nice refresher for you as we get back into it. You have from this morning all the way until Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. Okay, so you have 2 days to get this done. Tomorrow there won't be anything new, no new content. We're just kind of easing you guys into it. We do not want this to be a stressor for you, but just know you can use those notes. Reach out if you have questions, email me. To find the quiz, it is going to be down here. Okay, so you should be able to just click right on there. You get 3 attempts, and it's going to be your highest grade is what we'll take as your final grade. So remember, if you have any questions, please let me know from 10 to 1. If it's outside those hours, don't worry about it, but I'll just do my best to get back to you when I can. And good luck.